You talk to your agent. Your agent talks to Chaprola. Watch both sides. With a simple prompt to your agent, the agent installs Chaprola, registers an account, and signs the HIPAA Business Associate Agreement, all before the human's cursor stops blinking. The human points to a dataset. The agent fetches it directly from the NYC Taxi and Limousine Commission. Over 1 million trips. 88 megabytes. Imported in 8 seconds. No create table. No manual schema. The data is just there. Plain English becomes code. The agent writes the program, compiles it to bytecode, and runs it against 1 million records in 7.5 seconds. The human asked a question. The agent delivered an answer. The agent publishes the report. Anyone with the link can run it. No login, no API key. The program executes live against the real data every time, not a cached page. 1 million records processed on demand. There it is. 1 million taxi trips, live, viewable by anyone with a browser. No dashboard tool, no BI platform. One program, one URL. Now ask your agent to make it pretty. The agent reformats the report however you like. 5 messages from the human, 8 calls from the agent. 1 million records imported, analyzed, and published as a live report on a HIPAA-compliant platform, with nothing to install and nothing to maintain.